also going to hold it right here.
That's so weird.
Good morning. Don't mind my face. I look a little mad. That's because I am mad. It's about 7 a.m. This is around the time I wake up and brush my teeth and wash my face. As you can see. And also, you know, I have a resting bitch face. Y'all know how it is. Y'all know what the fuck going on. I just have a resting bitch face. I don't know why. I just do. I'm working on it. So I just got my hair done. My hair was fleeky right here. I haven't worn my real hair out in a minute, so it was really nice to see some progress because a lot of my hair thinned out in the back. And it was just getting thin, and now I'm getting like some thickness back, and it's nice to see. So now I'm driving to school. I'm dancing and stuff because I'm playing my baby Drake. I love him. My friend gonna ask me if you ever met Drake, would you lick his booty hole? And I told her no. And she was like, you're lying. How is licking Drake's booty hole benefiting me in any way? Like, what? He ain't that poppin'. So now I'm in theory. And theory is basically we go over what we're gonna be testing on during state board. This is pretty boring. We all have to read out loud and we all have to take tests for at least a good hour and a half to 2 hours in the beginning of school. So from 8 to 10. So this is the lesson of the week, where we're waxing and we are learning how to wax. So she's holding the skin taut right here and just pulling up the wax upward. And I actually really love waxing. If you guys want me to do something with that, let me know.
What are you doing? Towels. For a facial. I do. Okay. You're not the only one getting people in here. You're not the only
one. So we actually had a competition right here. So me and this girl is having like this battle because she got so many clients in and I'm finally getting a client in. So we kind of had a little back and forth right here. Listen to me being petty. So yeah, I'm just prepping. Then I put the towels in the cabbie. Right here, I'm prepping to steam, like set up the steamer and stuff like that. This is self-explanatory. I'm just making it bad. Making the bed is kind of tedious and stuff.
things that I could say right now, but it wouldn't mean anything. The only thing.
Yeah, so I had a towel on the top of my head because I just got my hair done and that steam was sweating out my hair, so I had to put a towel to protect it. I would have put a scarf on, but I forgot it at home. So that's the usually to avoid this, you could put the steam coming from behind, but like put it behind me, but the room was too small. So when your client leaves, you have to make an exit client form, like write down the stuff you use on them and write down the stuff you use on them and write down what their experience was with the product and any side comments you might have, just so when they come in next time, you know what to do and stuff. So this is another day, hence why my hair is different. This day, what was I doing here? I was doing my own facial and I was actually studying. So at the end of the day, after all the clients and stuff, I just sit in one of the rooms and I study until about 5:30. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I put a couple of video ideas in the corner. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see a tour of the school, if you want to see facials, let me know. And I'll work on that. Bye.
Was he only after one thing? Could you be the one I lit up in my room? Could you be the one to tell me I'm beautiful? Don't let me down, 'cause I need someone like you. I'm so lonely right now, just need someone to come through.